Hi, welcome to Tech Tips. I'm Kate. Here in the lab, we spend a ton of time getting to know products like the Instant Pot, so we can arm you with expert tips and tricks to help you get the most out of it. When you've got one of these, you can step up your culinary game and make everything from poultry and pot roast to veggies, desserts, and even yogurt. Today, we'll walk you through how to set up your Instant Pot, and then we'll demonstrate how to steam some broccoli. Let's get started. Here's what's included with the Instant Pot. Each model has slightly different features, but all of them come with a cooker base, the inner pot, the cooker lid, a steam rack, and a condensation collector. Oh, and we're gonna need some broccoli. To begin, place the Instant Pot on a flat surface. Then connect the power cord to the unit and plug it in. Before turning it on, familiarize yourself with the three main parts of the Instant Pot: the cooker base, the inner pot, where your ingredients will go, and the cooker lid. On the cooker lid, locate the steam release valve, the float valve, and the quick release button. And on the inside of the lid, the removable sealing ring. Your Instant Pot comes with 2 sealing rings. They recommend using one ring for savory dishes and the other one for sweet dishes. Slide the condensation collector into place on the back of the unit to catch any steam that builds up while you're cooking. Remember to empty it when you're done. You can always store the cooker lid close by, yet out of your way, by setting it in this handle holder. Now we're ready to cook something. For today's demonstration, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make fresh steamed broccoli in the Instant Pot. To start, we'll add a cup of water. 1 to 2 cups is plenty for steaming veggies. Anytime you add liquid to the Instant Pot, make sure never to exceed the max fill line, noted inside the inner pot. Next, we'll put the steaming rack in. Then we'll add the broccoli on top of the steaming rack to elevate it above our liquid. Now, place the lid onto the base and turn it clockwise to lock it. You'll know it's locked when you hear the chime sound. Before we program it, we'll want to make sure the quick release valve is in the seal position so the steam can build up. To program it for steaming broccoli, I'm going to go ahead and select Steam. And notice that when I press it again, I can choose normal, more, or less steam. Since vegetables cook fast, I'm going to select less. Use the plus and minus buttons to adjust your cooking time. And use the pressure button to adjust your pressure. Check out Instant Pot's website for cooking times and recommended pressure levels for other dishes. After a few seconds, the beep will let you know your Instant Pot is heating up and building pressure. This can take some time depending on what you're cooking. While that's happening, I just wanted to remind you there are a ton of other dishes that you can make with your Instant Pot. You can do rice, baked potatoes, chicken wings, beef stew, ribs, lo mein, quinoa, mac and cheese, creme brulee. Ooh, creme brulee! Once the float valve pops up, the Instant Pot is pressurized and the timer will start shortly after that. Our broccoli will only take a minute or 2 to steam. Once the cooking stops, the fun starts. To keep our broccoli from getting overcooked, we'll use the quick release option to vent the steam faster. We'll give that a few moments to vent and cool down. For safety reasons, the lid will stay locked until the pressure is fully released and the float valve has dropped back down. Okay, now we can open it up and see our masterpiece. And there you have it, perfectly steamed broccoli, compliments of the incredibly versatile and time-saving Instant Pot. Now you know enough to get cooking and start exploring all the possibilities. It's worth noting that the Instant Pot should be properly cleaned after each use. So, if you want to learn how, check out our video on that too. We'll link it below. Leave any questions you have in the comments and we'll get back to you. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and help from Best Buy. See you next time.